My hubby do the yard. It'd be so pretty, and it is so nice and shady under my big tree. Love that area. Wanted to show you my knockout rose bushes, and for some odd reason my hydrangeas, I can't even say it. My hydrangea bush, I can't say it, don't y'all pick at me, hush. It's not doing as it should be, but it's pretty though. The little bit that has came up. But summertime has approached. I love when the sun is out and it's so pretty. Some more food for my little birds. I put it in a little cage and they come and eat it, and clean that out and put me some water for my birds to drink.